Hi, this is our Pro Sharp machine. It's a machine automated machine, so it goes back and forth electronically. So no traditional sharpening back and forth. What we're going to do is we're going to measure the width of the steel. Once I get the measurement, I clamp it onto here. I find the middle of the steel, like so. Then I'm going to adjust it over here to the right width of it. So once that is done, then I simply turn the machine on. And the wheel is just going to follow the shape of the steel. So now we're going to go to the slower speed, and that's going to be the final pass to give it a nice polish on the bottom so that when you're skating it's really smooth and doesn't feel like it's slowing you down or anything. So I'm going to get it on the machine. So you notice it's going slower now, and that's going to help give it a better polish. So after we finish the sharpening, we're going to take off the burrs from the side with our stone over here. Now we don't have any burrs on the side, so your skate is ready to go on the ice.